Hi guys, welcome to Best Up TV. I'm Alex. Today I want to introduce to you guys a new collection of sublimation baby items, and it includes some baby onesies, night dresses, t-shirts, bandanas, bibs, quilts, headbands, cap, and bird clothes. Now let's go check the products one batch after the other. First, let's see the Sublimation Baby Onesie collection. We have 5 styles. These are the ones with 6 solid colors, and they have long sleeves and short sleeves for you to choose. And here are the ones with the 6 colors on their sleeves, and they are also available in long sleeve and short sleeve styles for you to choose. And these are the ones with 6 colors around the neck and around the sleeves. Only have the short sleeve style. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 styles for the baby onesies in total. And every color from every style has 5 sizes for the babies at different months. And here you can see we have 5 sizes from the newborn baby to the 24-month-old baby. And if you want to check more specific size information, you can go to our website bestup.com to search the product. And here are some sublimation long sleeve baby night dresses. They are also available in 5 sizes, and you can choose from these ones with 6 color sleeves and these ones with 6 solid colors. And each baby night dress has an elastic cinched hem to cover baby's feet and keep baby's feet warm during the whole night. And it's also easy for fast diaper changes, which gives your baby a more comfortable sleep. And for more size information, you can choose to go to our website bestup.com to search the product, or you can go to check the description box below. I will put all the product details there, and it will be much more convenient for you guys to check them. Now let's see some other items, and here are some little cute sublimation baby t-shirts. They have 5 colors: white, pink, yellow, green, and blue. And they have 3 sizes for the babies from 6 months to 24 months. And here we also have some baby bandanas, baby bibs, and headbands. They are available in the same 5 colors as the t-shirt colors, and 1 more gray color, so 6 colors in total. And you can mix and match to create different everyday looks for your baby. And here are some baby quilts, and they can be used as bath quilt, crib quilt, and swaddle quilt to give babies a warm hug and wrap them in comfort. So all the items I just talked about, including the baby onesies, the night dresses, the baby t-shirt, the baby quilt, the bandanas, the bibs, and the headbands, are made of the same safe, ultra soft, lightweight polyester fabric, and it's very friendly for baby skin. And here we also have some items made of fleece. This is a little cap for the baby, and it can keep baby's head warm in the winter. And this is a baby bib to absorb milk and drool. And here is a burp cloth, and this is for absorbing baby spit up and protect mother's clothes. And fleece is a very soft, breathable, super absorbent, and fast drying material, and it's very perfect for making baby items. And what's more, both the polyester and fleece are very perfect for sublimation printing, and I will show you guys how to print today's items, so keep watching. So do you guys like today's video and the baby items? If you like them, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe our channel. And if you want to purchase the baby items, you can send email to best@bestup.net. And we also have the small and portable sublimation heat press machines for you to personalize the baby items at home. They are very easy and very convenient to use. And I'm Alex, hope to see you again in my next video.